let's hear from my tribe. Okay, let's hear from my Discord tribe. Okay, so who wants to chat? Who wants to do a testimonial on Discord? So Lekgotla, can you talk yet? Can you unmute your microphone?
Yeah, I can quickly say something.
Okay, let's hear. So please introduce yourself. Tell the people how long you've been trading with us.
Okay, I am very, very conservative because I'm very careful as an individual. I first came into the basically contact with Alan middle of December, and I've been reading up and learning and watching and going through the notes of the different seminars that he's put together, FPS and so forth. And I think just yesterday I managed to set myself up with a bot, and I put $500 yesterday, and I'm glad to say that today, in just 24 hours, my profit is up by $120, which is just over 20%. So
wow.
I'm on the journey, I'm learning, I'm going at it very slowly because I do have a full-time job. I work for myself, I'm an entrepreneur. So basically you just need to take it slow, give yourself time to learn, and you'll see the results.
Awesome. Thanks, Lekgotla.